Hello! In this video, we will introduce the Store Health feature on BigSeller. This tool gives you a clear, real-time view of your store's performance over the recent days. It supports both Shopee and Lazada stores, so you can monitor all your accounts from a single dashboard. No more switching between platforms. To get started, go to Reports, Store Health. At the top, you will see performance score notifications, including a summary of how many stores fall into each performance category. In here, you can choose your platform, Shopee or Lazada. The filter options let you narrow down results by store, store group, or store status. Let's break down the key sections. Store status and quantity. This reflects the overall performance tier of your store. Tiers include excellent, good, improvement needed, poor, average points this quarter. This score resets weekly and can be filtered by store. All scores remain visible until the end of each period. Store warning. A pie chart displays the current performance level for each store, with a detailed list below. Ongoing punishment. Another pie chart shows upcoming performance score alerts, along with account status, quarterly scores, and future performance projections. Scroll further down to explore the store health metrics. You can review these in detail at any time. A few helpful notes. The system refreshes data automatically once a day. If you need up-to-the-minute updates, simply click the Sync Data button to manually refresh. To export your data, use the Download button. To customize which columns appear, click the Settings icon. If you have any questions, feel free to click Contact Us. Our support team is always ready to help.